calling all yoga teachers and Yin Yoga enthusiasts. I am so excited to be able to finally offer you this online, in-depth Yin Yoga Teacher Training program. This Yoga Alliance certified course will give you the tools you need to teach safe, smart, and meaningful Yin Yoga practices. Whether you're already a yoga teacher or just a student who wants to learn more about the wonderful practice of Yin Yoga, this training will give you what you are looking for. This program is open to everyone. You do not need to be a yoga teacher in order to enroll. However, if you are already a yoga teacher, you will be able to get a certificate of completion from taking this course, and this can be put towards your continuing education hours with Yoga Alliance. Everyone who completes this course receives a certificate of completion. If you're new to me and my teachings, my name is Kassandra Reinhardt, and I am a dedicated and passionate student and teacher of Yin Yoga. I love it so much, in fact, that I even wrote a book about it called Yin Yoga, which was published by DK Books. I've been teaching online and in-person Yin Yoga classes for years now, and I am thrilled to see how popular this style has become. There is a huge demand for more Yin Yoga teachers who are able to create these beautiful offerings for their students. I believe Yin Yoga has the power to transform people's lives from the inside out, and I would love to have the opportunity to help train new teachers so that they can bring this information and this knowledge to their communities and give the gift of Yin Yoga. This training is a compilation of everything I've learned from practicing and teaching Yin Yoga for so many years now. The curriculum goes in depth and it is extensive. We are going to cover things like the principles of Yin Yoga, how to set up and prepare for Yin, sequencing and teaching, asanas, counter poses, modifications, chakras and meridians, physical, emotional, and mental benefits of Yin Yoga, and so much more. If you would like to see the detailed full curriculum, I invite you to visit the website that you see displayed on your screen, and this is also where you'll be able to sign up and register for this online Yin Yoga Teacher Training program. This is a program I've been working on for a really long time now, and I would be absolutely honored to teach you what I know. Following a certified training program online is a great way to make learning accessible, convenient, and also affordable. If you have any questions whatsoever about this training, please feel free to send me an email at hello@yogawithkassandra.com, and I will be happy to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really do hope that you're going to join me on this online Yin Yoga Teacher Training program. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.